Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today's going to be a little bit different. Today we're going to look at our mate Ed. Here he is, Ed. Ed is a bit special. Ed can be added to a word to change the meaning. Take a look at this.
To his friends, Ed is just a normal, everyday kind of letter. Hi there, Ed. Hello, my friend. Hi there, Ed. Hello, my friend. Hi there, Ed. Hello, my friend. But what they don't know is that Ed is a time traveler. All that Ed needs to travel into the past is a word. But not just any word. It has to be a word that does something. You see, only a word that does an action can be used by Ed to travel back in time. These words are called verbs. Here is a word that is a verb. Happen. I wonder what's going to happen now. Happened. It has happened. Ed jumped onto the end and the verb changed. The word has traveled into the past. Here are more words that are verbs. Ed will send them into the past. Look. Looked. Play. Played. Want. Wanted. Work. Worked. Ed worked hard today. Or was it yesterday? If you need to send a verb into the past, remember to use ed, add, on the end of the word.
So you can see, our mate Ed is very special. Ed is a time traveller. Ed can be added to a verb. A verb is a word that does an action like walk or talk. By adding ed to the end of the word, it makes it past tense. It's already happened. Past tense. Here are some verbs. I wonder if we can add ed to them to make them past tense. Here's our first word. Let's see if we can read it. Jump. Jump. I could put that in a sentence. I can jump. I wonder if we can make it past tense. It's already happened. What do I have to do? That's right. I have to add ed. Our mate Ed jumped. Let's see if I can put that in a sentence. I jumped over the chair. Here's my next word. Can you read it? Land. Land. What do I do to make it past tense? That's right. I'm going to add D, squeaky pen. Landed. Our mate Ed landed. I landed on the floor. Here's the next word. Can you read it? Help. Help. Shall we make it past tense? What do I have to do? That's right. Add ed. Our mate Ed helped I helped the cat. Helped. Now there are lots of different rules when you use ed to make a verb past tense. An action word has already happened. And I'm going to teach you one of those rules now. A verb is an action word. And by adding ed, we can make it past tense. Already happened. But if the verb, the action word, ends in an E, the letter E, we have to change the rule slightly. Are you ready? Let me think of a word. Like the word love. Love. It ends in the letter E. So if we want to make it past tense, all we have to do is add a D, because the E's already there. Love, loved, past tense. I loved that cake I ate yesterday. Here's another verb. Smile. Smile. Oh, it's a blend. Sm. Oh, I'm being a bit mean because lots of the words that end in E have a split digraph. I is this one. I. We haven't actually learnt that yet, but I know lots of you are reading split digraphs in your reading. Smile. We'll learn split digraphs a bit later on. But let's think about the ed rule. Let's turn the word smile into past tense. What do I have to do? The word smile ends in an E. So, to make smile past tense, all I have to do is add a D, because the E's already there. Smiled. I smiled all day yesterday. It was Sunday. Here are two verbs, two action words. Can you write them down? Pause the video if you need time to go and get your things. Right, have you written them? Now, I want you to turn the words add and bake into past tense. Do you remember the rule? Pause the video and have a go. Here's the word add. Add. We want to make it past tense. So we're going to add our mate Ed. Added. Added. It's past tense. Here's the word bake. We're going to make it past tense. Oh, hang on. We need to add ed, but the e's already there. So what are we going to do? Just add the d. Did you get it right? Now it's your turn. You can choose 1 chilli, 2 chillies or 3 chillies, or you can do all 3. Remember to pause the video when you've heard the instructions so it gives you time to actually do the activity. See you soon. How many past tense verbs can you find in a book? Can you read them and then write them down? Can you change these root verbs into past tense? Write the root word down, put an arrow, and then write the past tense word. Just like the example. Can you write a past tense sentence for each of these root words? Don't forget the spelling rule.